Trstenik is a small town in Serbia on the right bank of the West Morava River. It has existed since the Middle Ages. The main road Poete Kraljevo and the railway line Stalać-Požega pass through Trstenik.
It has the Church of the Holy Trinity, built at the very beginning of the 20th century. On the town square there is a monument to Princess Milica, the wife of Prince Lazar Hrebeljanović.
Of the old buildings, the most interesting is the cottage house, built in the first half of the 19th century.
Trstenik was known for the industry of hydraulics and pneumatics. Prva petoletka.
The town is quiet and it's nice to live in it.
There are plenty of places to spend time and have fun.